Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about process. Some of the information may seem a little simple at times, but trust me, it's going to help us better understand the skills alignment matrix. We're going to be talking about both company process and individual work process. Individual work process is just as it sounds. It's the process each of us takes on as we do our work. Of course, company process is at a company-wide scale. When companies produce goods and services within any type of quantity, they implement a process. This process can be relied upon for both efficiency and consistency. Now, if you happen to be a plumber, your company process and your individual work process might be mostly the same. I know when a plumber shows up at my house, they diagnose the problem, they pick out the tools they need, and they unclog the drain. They even take care of billing. If you're an aerospace engineer, your portion of the company process is going to be very small and fragmented. You're going to be more like a bee working within a beehive. Within large aerospace companies, they might have thousands of engineers working on a multi-year contract. Unskilled and semi-skilled workers have unique challenges. They're often exposed to environments where they have little or no knowledge or experience. Perhaps one of the unsung attributes of unskilled and semi-skilled workers is their ability to adapt to process and environment. Traditional institution-guided experts have years of institutional learning to bring them into complex process. Although institutional learning is never a replacement for on-the-job experience, having both is an attribute for that type of expert. This brings us to unconventional experts. Unconventional experts may have knowledge of company process and industry standards. However, this is not their value proposition. Unconventional experts are able to work in environments that are unstructured, complex, creativity-driven, strategy-dependent, and project-oriented. In short, unconventional experts are experts who can figure things out. How do they do it? They do it with their own individual work process. An individual work process does not replace company process. It sits above company process and works in unstructured areas where company process can't reach. When Edison invented the light bulb, he did have a secret formula to show him the way. Thomas Edison was an unconventional expert with an individual work process. It's important to know that unconventional experts aren't only associated with great inventions. Unconventional experts are everywhere, and they do great work every day. In conclusion, I'm going to send you to our website to see the 12 steps of the individual work process. This is at cultureofexperts.com. Don't forget to see our recruitment services at humancastle.com. My name is Martin Hasslinger. Thank you.